What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another tutorial, and it's no shade. Shout out to Jessie's Selection for sending me this bust down closure pre-cut layered wig. This wig was so quick and easy to install. Let's just get right into this video. This wig was a bust down, and I loved it. This was Zari's first closure wig, and she killed it. Now for closure wigs, you honestly don't even have to do this step, which is the nude cap method, but I forgot I was doing the closure. I almost started to glue down her whole nude cap as if I was doing a frontal wig, but then I remember, oh, this is just the closure, so I just did the middle part. But you really don't even have to, you could just really put the cap on and proceed to putting the wig on, because she has a lot of forehead space, so I would have been able to get away with that, but I just forgot. I'm using my active adhesive, and I did 3 layers real quick, slapped it on. Yes, I use my skin protectant. That's a mandatory step. You have to use skin protectant before applying adhesive to your client's skin, and it's no shade. Once that glue is all dry and clear, you're going to just place that wig on, not too far up, not too far back, and you want to just place it down and blow dry it before you tie it down so that glue don't be smudgy or sticky. Period. We done let that lace cook a little bit. Now we're about to go in and cut that extra lace off with my eyebrow razor. I never use scissors. I only like to use my eyebrow razors. Make sure your part is dead smack in the middle. This is a closure, so you only get one chance to make it right. You do not want no siddle, or you know, you just don't want it to be crooked. So make sure it's really on point. I take about 30 minutes to make sure my middle part on point. Now I'm just going in, defining those baby hairs, plucking around where I section so that it can have a little definition, create that widow's peak aesthetic. And it's no shade. I'm just doing my customization big one. Now this is a closure wig, so you do have to make sure that you lay those sides. This is not a frontal, so you got to make sure them sides is laid down flat. Go in, spray piece by piece, part it, and lay it. Make sure you're covering those tracks. This wig is perfectly made because they have hair coming out of the tracks, so no tracks will be able to be shown. It's real easy to lay this wig flat, and I love the way they constructed this wig. Jessie's Selection, they slayed this one, no shade. I did my baby hairs with hairspray, and we just knocked them out real quick. I did 2 on each side, and I kept it simple. Went in, defined my part, and black sprayed it a little bit, and it's really no shade. Do not be scared to turn your hot comb on 400 and go in. Go in and get that wig flat. It's no shade. You got to go in over and over, piece by piece, section by section. Get the top flat, especially when you're doing the middle part bust down. And it's no shade. Now this part, I'm going to tell you to do at your own risk, because sometimes I do it perfect. Sometimes I be messing it up. I don't know what I be doing wrong, but it's like one wrong move and this can really mess up your whole install. You can even see right there I had to go back in and add a little bit more concealer because I kind of got it on the part. I don't be knowing what I be doing wrong. I think I need to go buy some new combs. All the combs y'all be sending me be thick tail. I need a skinny tail, but I made it work. I cleaned it up, and it's no shade. Y'all know I've been doing bust down middle part since 2015, so I'm gonna make it work regardless, period. Now they did already come with layers, so if you don't want to add any more layers to it, you can leave it as is. But me, I needed my layers to be a little bit more higher so they could be noticeable and defined. So I did go and I cut through it on each side one time. I didn't even really do the most, and I had got the look I wanted. Now I'm just going in and spraying some little argan oil. You guys always ask me where I get this tracing comb from. Just go on Amazon and type in flat iron comb, V comb, and it should pop up. That's all I did, and I ordered 2 of them. And this is the final product. Shout out to Jessie Selection Wig for sending me this closure bust down. If you need you a quick throw on wig and you need a break from frontals, this is the perfect wig to order. I'm telling you, no lies. It's so natural. It's so cute. This is giving me 90s, Aaliyah, if your girl only knew. All the info for this wig will be in the description box. Shout out to Zara. Make sure y'all follow her. Shout out to my SBM gang. We're growing and we're glowing. And it's no shade. Bye, y'all.